Virtual reality in real estate. Virtual reality is transforming the real estate industry by offering immersive, interactive experiences that benefit both buyers and sellers. Here are the key ways VR is being applied in real estate. 1. Virtual property tours. One of the most significant uses of VR in real estate is providing potential buyers or renters with virtual tours of properties. This allows them to explore homes and commercial spaces from anywhere in the world without physically visiting the location. These tours can be interactive, enabling users to navigate through rooms, inspect details, and get a feel for the space. This has been particularly beneficial during times when travel is restricted or when properties are located far from potential buyers. 2. Staging properties virtually. Traditional home staging, where furniture and decor are added to make a property more appealing, can be costly and time-consuming. VR solves this by allowing agents to virtually stage a property, showing different interior design options or furniture arrangements. Potential buyers can visualize how the space will look when furnished, making it easier for them to imagine themselves living or working in the space. 3. 3D architectural walkthroughs for properties still in development. VR provides an excellent tool to showcase 3D architectural models. Developers can create immersive walkthroughs of properties before they are built, helping investors, buyers, or other stakeholders experience the design and layout. This accelerates decision-making and allows for adjustments based on virtual experiences before construction begins. 4. Global reach and broader audience. VR eliminates geographical limitations, enabling real estate agents to showcase properties to international buyers without the need for travel. Buyers from around the world can explore properties at their convenience, making the process more accessible and reducing the need for in-person visits. 5. Increased buyer engagement. VR offers an interactive experience that keeps potential buyers engaged longer than traditional photos or videos. The ability to explore properties at their own pace and interact with the environment increases the likelihood of buyers remembering the property and feeling more connected to it. 6. Cost efficiency for sellers. For real estate agents and developers, VR can reduce the costs associated with multiple showings and in-person staging. Virtual open houses, for example, allow agents to show properties to multiple clients simultaneously without physically being on site, making it more time and cost efficient. 7. Improved decision-making. With the help of VR, clients can get a more realistic sense of a property's scale, layout, and flow compared to static images or floor plans. This reduces uncertainty and helps buyers make more informed decisions, shortening the sales cycle. Future of VR in real estate. As VR technology advances, the potential for its application in real estate will continue to grow. Integration with augmented reality could further enhance property visualizations by adding real-time data overlays, such as property values or neighborhood statistics, during virtual tours. The continued rise of VR will likely make it a staple tool for real estate professionals worldwide. In conclusion, virtual reality is revolutionizing how properties are marketed, toured, and sold, providing unparalleled convenience and immersive experiences for buyers, sellers, and agents alike.